Every mile on your Harley should feel controlled, comfortable, and connected. These satin black Thresher grips are designed specifically for Harley Davidson motorcycles equipped with electronic throttle control, delivering a refined balance of comfort, grip, and style that riders immediately notice from the first ride. Inspired by aggressive shark tooth texturing, the premium EPDM rubber surface offers an ultra-soft feel while effectively reducing vibration through the handlebars, helping your hands stay relaxed even on long journeys. The compact diameter combined with a subtle palm swell creates a natural, ergonomic shape that contours smoothly to your hands. This design improves throttle control without feeling bulky, making it ideal for both city cruising and extended highway rides. Unlike overly padded grips, the full rubber contact surface provides consistent traction in all riding conditions, helping reduce hand fatigue and improving confidence behind the bars. Built specifically for Harley-Davidson electronic throttle models from 2008 to 2019, excluding certain special editions, these grips are engineered for proper fit and straightforward installation. The throttle side comes pre-assembled with a throttle tube, while the clutch side features a glue-less design, allowing easier installation or future removal. With basic hand tools and careful preparation, most riders can complete the upgrade at home without professional help. Beyond comfort, the satin black finish delivers a clean, modern look that complements a wide range of Harley styling themes, from classic touring builds to more aggressive custom setups. Riders appreciate that the rubber compound does not leave residue on hands, maintaining a clean feel ride after ride. If you are looking to improve comfort, reduce vibration, and refresh the feel of your Harley's controls, these Thresher grips are a smart and practical upgrade. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and see current pricing. Subscribe to the channel to explore more rider-approved Harley accessories and upgrades that enhance both performance and everyday riding enjoyment.